So I'm here with Wowangel hair once more. It says you deserve this beauty. It's the same packaging as last time. This is the second time I'm getting a wig from this company. The first time it was gorgeous. So let's see what we're working with today. So seeing the wig first thing when I open the box, which we're gonna get into. I got a goodie bag. So before we get into the goodie bag, let's see what else is inside here. I got a headband and it's branded Wowangel elastic headband. And lastly, in the box, I got this Wowangel pamphlet with information on hair care, wig care rather, and their social media handles. So you can go ahead and check that out if you happen to get a package from them, just for more information. So what we got in today's goodie bag, right? I got a edge brushing comb. Got a little simple pair of eyelashes. Also, a nice HD wig cap. Love getting these. Make your install look 10 times better, more realistic. I got this piece of elastic band if you happen to need to attach it to your wig for more security. That comes in really handy. And I got this little scrunchie here. You know, this is how it looks. So yeah, that's everything in the goodie bag. So literally guys, oh my gosh, this is the wig we're working with today, right? Oh, the last time I got a wig from them, it was a straight texture. So today we're working with a body wave texture, right? They said this wig is 28 inches. It's on the bag, but really and truly, to be very honest, this is giving me like more like 26. I don't know. But it's very full. One thing I can tell about Wowangel that I've realized so far, the quality top notch, top tier, A1, beautiful wigs, very nicely constructed. So what we're working with, as you can see, is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and this is glueless. So I am so happy to jump into today's wig because I don't know, say glueless wigs are running the place, especially these 5x5 closure ones. And there's a little elastic, adjustable elastic band that comes inside the cap, so you can make it tighter on your head. It doesn't come with any combs. This is kind of the make that's trending right now, like a really classic dome cap built. No adjustable straps in the back or anything. They just usually attach like an elastic on the inside, and you can literally just make it as tight or as loose as you want it to be, and it's really snugged on the head. So I'm so excited to go ahead and get this on my head. It's a nice one because the hair is very full, as I said, so nice and full. I absolutely love this, and I'm so ready to go ahead and slip this on. You know, the pros of these wigs is that you ultimately don't need any adhesive to install them. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. So let's go. We're done. That is very, very secure. This is how we're looking, guys. It looks pretty good. You know, it's laying flat. What I want to do is, I think I want to do a side part. Yeah, I think I have enough space to do a side part because I'm always doing a center part with these. But before I jump to that part, let's just go ahead. Remember, this is a glueless install, so no adhesive, no nothing, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead, start cutting off the lace. So this is how it looks once I cut the lace off. The only thing is, you know, here it's easy to kind of finesse it, kind of just put the hair over it and you'll be fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my parting. We're gonna run through the entire top of the wig with the flat with the hot comb so that it can lay super flat. You can't really see the parting right now, but we're gonna fix that. But you have like a lot of parting space to actually work with. So I love that. So once I kind of finesse it with the hot comb, it will be laying so nicely. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go in with my powder, guys, but you see how much space you have on this closure, right? It's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna make the parting more precise, just using my powder. Just take your time to do this so you can get the line as straight as possible. You see how flat this is laying? Yeah, that's exactly what we needed. So that's the reason why you need to take your time to go through it with your hot comb, so that all that is left right here before the closure is finished is like 1 inch of lace, you know, but it's really nice and flat still, you know. I just wish it was a little flutter like right here, but it will still work because guess what, this is a body wave, so I mean those waves, it will be fine. It's flat for the most part at the top, at the very top here, and I love that. So what I'm gonna actually do, you see how beautiful that looks? I'm gonna go in with my and you could, you guys know I love doing this, right? So you could fully like kind of give it a cute little swoop on the side. Then get into it. Now these curls, this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. It's very silky, very soft, very full. And by the way, did I tell you guys this is 250% in density? Okay, gorgeous. So you could decide if you want to go back through it with your, but I kind of want the front hair to be a little bit more, you know, defined and stuff. So I am gonna go back through it with my flat, with the curling iron. guys, so I just have the clip here because it's the last piece I just curled. Tell me these waves are in perfection. The movement, not just the look, you know, the movement, the luster, everything is just like perfect to me. It is the perfect look, and it's a side part. And guys, look at that. Look at that. Glueless. Glueless. It is perfection. It is. It really is. It laying flat and everything. So I'm just gonna take out this piece. I don't want to do too much in terms of like combing out the waves, because I want it to still be like this bouncy and like defined with how they look. So I'm just like, oh my god, oh my god, oh, you see this one, god. So you could just take like the hair from the side here where the closure ends and kind of like cover the end there if it's like showing. If you want to wear it out, you can. Like instead of putting it behind your ear. It is so elegant. It's big. It's just a big, nice, sexy, wavy look, and it is laying so beautiful. So what I want to do still is give it a little bit of layering. Just a little bit of layers here in the front, just so that can help with the way the curl falls a little bit more. So I'm gonna start from about right here. Layers for the win every single time. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 That's what we're talking about. Guys. And I'm just kind of playing around with this as if it's a frontal. Look at it. I absolutely love this. 10 out of 10. Easy to style. Easy to style. Not a lot of shedding at all. And the hair feels like luxury quality. Like, yeah. You know, like it's not cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't look cheap. Like, this is the wig you pull out when you have that event coming up and you really want to show out. Like, so I really love it. That's it for the install, guys. That's literally it for the install and the styling. It's perfect. Literally, it's perfect. It's perfect. So I want you guys to, as usual, just go ahead, check out my description box for this lovely glueless closure wig. Got them around the place at, like, for summertime, especially for this kind of length. You know it's really hot and so on. So if you decide to switch it up with a look like this, you don't have to feel pressured to go ahead and glue or spray the wig down for it to look natural and well secure. No, you got this option, which is glueless, and you can still slay for just a couple hours. You can slip on, slip off. You know, the most lengthy part of doing this, of installing this or this video, was really the styling portion. It was not the installation. So it's really simple, very to the point. What's so convenient about this as well is you could style this overnight, which is the part that takes most of your time. Style it, you know, pin it up, put it down, and just put it down back, and it's ready to go. You know, so it's literally so easy. So I hope you guys found this video informative as usual. You guys know I'm giving you the best glueless wig options over here, as well as other wigs as well. You just, yeah. But yeah, so go ahead, check out my description box for the direct link to the wig, you know, the specifications and all necessary information. If there are any codes, anything like that, it will be down there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.